Namaskara ellarigu Yashaswi Kannadavaani YouTube channel ge swagata. Welcome everyone to Yashaswi Kannadavaani YouTube channel. And in this grammar section we are learning the Virudhaarthaka padha. Yes, Virudhaarthaka padha andre opposite words. Okay, let's start with the first part of the opposite words. So first word enide? First word is we have bega, which means fast. The opposite of that is nidhana, which means slow. Okay, bega is fast, nidana andre slow. Bega ba, come fast, nidanavagi hogu, go slowly. Okay, next word eno? Next word we have kattalu, which means dark, and belaku, which means light. Kattalu aitu, it's dark. Belaku bantu. Now it's morning ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಟ್ ಬಂತು, ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಹಗಲು ಇರುಳು. ಹಗಲು is day and irulu is night. Okay, this you can also say belage ratri. Okay, hagalu irulu mostly will be following with the rhymes ali, you can see. Next one is kappu bili. So kappu is a black, kappu kudalu, black hair, then bili hallu, white teeth. Always try to make a sentences when you learn the opposite words. Okay, next enide? Next is far and near. Far is dura, dura hogu. Near is hattira, hattira ba, which is come closer, come near. Next enide? Next is kadime jasti. Kadime is a less, jasti andre more. Okay, next enide? The next word is sullu nija. Sullu is a lie, sullu helbeda. Nija is a truth, nija helu, say the truth. Next enide? Next is sadhya asadhya. Sadhya is possible, ninninda sadhya, you can do it, it is possible. Adu asadhya, that is impossible. Okay, so sadhya asadhya. Next enide? Next is saku beku. Saku is enough, beku is want. Okay, and bekuge I can also write beda, which is want and don't want. Adunu baribodu. Okay, next one is muchu is close, bagilu muchu, close the door. Kitaki tege, tege is open, open the kitaki enna tege, open the window. Okay, I hope you have understood these words and try to let me know in the comment section the simple sentences for all these opposite words. Opposite words andre kannadadalli virudhaarthaka pada, virudha pada. Okay, thank you so much. I'll meet you with one more part of virudhaarthaka pada anta helta. Namaskara, dhanyavada. Do not forget to share this video with your friends. Namaste. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, and words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.